Hi everybody, this is Brad. I want to do a little quick video today on landing pads. Does it really make a difference which landing pad you use, or do you just need the contrast? I have a couple different. This is one made by Start RC. It is about $15. I'll put a link for both of these in the description. This is a 20-inch landing pad. You can see it's orange on one side, black on the other side. Folds up very nice. It's handy, it's small, and you can see that it comes in a pouch, and the pouch fits right in my carrying bag for the drone. This one is a universal landing pad. This one is about $10. This is a 30-inch landing pad. This is the spring-loaded type one. It is blue on one side, orange on the other. Again, about $10. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit less convenient to carry because of the shape. It folds up very nice and it goes in this pouch, but it can't fit in my bag. So it hangs off the side with a carabiner, which is not all that inconvenient. I don't always use a landing pad, but I like to have a landing pad with me for just in case. So we'll take them out. I'm going to take the Air 3 out. We're going to do a little test on these two. And then I'll let you make your own decision on which one you'd rather have. The pros and cons of both of these. This one, again, one of the cons is the fact that it won't fit in the case. It needs to hang off the outside. The other one is it needs to be staked down whether it's windy outside or not, just because the prop wash will actually blow it away and blow it offside. This one is a little bit heavier because of the type of material, so it doesn't need to be staked down unless it's windy. It does. Both of these come with stakes when you order them. But we'll take them out and fly, and we'll find out whether or not you need to make a decision one way or the other by whether or not one is more accurate than the other. So here we go. Let's take off. We're going to start out with the Start RC landing pad. This is the Air 3. I love the shadow that it leaves below when you're looking for a landing. We're going to go up about 20 feet, let it hover for just a few seconds. And what I plan to do is go up about 200 feet, make sure that I clear the hills and the trees. And I'm going to go out about 500 feet, and then we'll hit return to home and come back and see how accurate it is on this Start RC pad. Again, this is a 20-inch pad. This is the 9th of July 2024, and it's pretty warm today. It's 85 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to hit right at 100 by the time the day is over with. So there's 500 feet. We'll hit return to home.
Return to home. Return to home.
And head back. I really like the green trail and the home insignia to let me know where I'm going. So let's switch views here so you can see both from the screenshot and the camera shot on the landing pad. Let's switch over. Again, that shadow is really helpful to let you know where you're at. You can see how accurate it is just by looking at the shadow. So that might be an inch off, 2 inches off out of the center. It's very, very accurate. So now let's try the universal landing pad. Again, this is about $10 on Amazon. And you can see when it scoots down, the prop wash is even making it flutter a little bit. So let's go up about 20 feet again, let it hover for a few seconds. Give them both equal trial. Now we're going to go up about 200 feet and out about 500 and we'll come back home. There's 200 feet. Let's head out now. There's 500 feet right there. So let's hit return to home and come back.
Return to home. Landing.
Here we go, we're going down. Switching views again. So keep an eye on that landing pad, how it flutters a little bit when the prop wash hits it. It's starting to move now. But doesn't seem to matter which one, they're both fairly accurate. Again, this is a 30-inch pad, the other is a 20-inch pad. They're both fairly accurate, they both do a really good job.